Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to put a password on your PlayStation 4 account. So if I go to my profile here, I'll have to type in a password before I log in. So let's go up to the top and go to settings right here. And then this option right here is login settings. Adjust settings for logging into the PS4. So let's select this. And right now I have login automatically enabled, but I want to go down to login passcode management and then enter in a new login passcode. So let's type something in and then repeat it. Now that passcode is on my PS4, and I can go to this and I can change the passcode in the future, or I can delete it if I no longer want it. So let's log out of my PlayStation now by holding down the PlayStation button. Go to power, go to log out. Then I'm going to be brought back to this home screen. Now press the PS button to use the controller. So here's my account. Now I have to enter in my passcode. So you do have the option, if you forgot the passcode, press options. To reset your passcode for logging into the PS4, you must sign into the PlayStation network. So you just have to sign in with your email address and password, and then you should be able to log in. So I'm just going to enter this in, and boom, I'm on my PS4 now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Studios.